Hi, I'm Jessica Taylor from inkitupwithjessica.com, and in this video I want to show you how to spruce up your pine tree punch from Stampin' Up. So let's start with how this punch works. It has a lock on the bottom, so you want to go ahead and push that forward so that it opens up your punch and you can use it. Then you can just slide your cardstock in, give it a punch, and you have a lovely pine tree to use on your card or on your scrapbook page or any kind of project you're making. Now you can punch this tree out of lots of different shades of green. You can punch it out of white, or you can even punch it out of a patterned paper. In this video, I want to show you how you can take your cardstock that is punched out with a pine tree punch and take it from nice to wow. You can step that pine tree up by embossing it with an embossing folder and adding a little wink of Stella. Here's how it looks in green. Or you can really make an elegant card with white. I'm going to use my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine with my embossing folder. This is the Tasteful Textile embossing folder, and it's a 3D embossing folder. So the sandwich that I'm going to use is the base plate, the embossing folder, and then I'm just going to put my pine tree punch outs in there. Close the folder and put the number 4 specialty plate on top. If you have a different die cutting machine, you can still use this embossing folder. Your sandwich may just be a little bit different. When you're done, just look at the texture that adds to your trees. I think it makes such a difference, but it's so easy to do. Can you see the difference that makes? You could use these trees just like this, but the second thing I like to do to spruce them up is use my Wink of Stella. This is a glitter brush that I just brush right across the top so the top of the embossing catches it, and it adds just a little bit of shimmer and shine. Just like it's been kissed with a light snowfall. I think it's so pretty. So I hope that you'll use these tips to spruce up the trees that you punch out with your pine tree punch. You'll find more details about how to make these cards with your pine tree punch at the link in the description below. Happy stamping!